Good morning, everyone. Another day, another adventure. We've been here for a week at the base camp for the volunteers, and what a great bunch of people here. But it's time. My road captain, Amy, my road dog, it's time to move. So we are going back to a familiar place. Come along with me, I'll show you where we're going. But it's been, I just can't say enough about the people here. Wonderful people. At night it's been super quiet. Had a few fires and getting to know people from different places around the country. So it's been a great experience. I'm really glad I came here, and but now it's time to travel on. As you see, there's a lot of vans here, more vans than RVs. And this is a I think I'm only one of 3 or 4 RVs here. So let's go on to the next. So this spot here is BLM land, just north here of downtown. It's only a less than 10-minute drive to downtown, where downtown Pahrump you have the grocery stores. It was very convenient to go to the Vanville site. It's basically down mailboxes and more is down at the end, almost at the end of this road. So all I had to do was go through a couple of stop signs. So that's where the work was being done. Not on the weekends, just during the week. So having the weekend off, I actually, like I said before, my volunteering was kind of cut short, but that was okay, and it was a great experience. I can't say enough good things about it. So here is the main highway. So this is off of Mesquite Avenue. So here we're entering downtown Pahrump. There's a Home Depot on the left. There's a park right here on the right too, that's very friendly for overnighting and for camping. Hey, gas has gone down. Wow, 4.18. That's awesome. When I got here, I don't know if that's regular gasoline. When I got here, it was cheapest was 4.71. So right here to the right in Pahrump is a CVS pharmacy. That's the Albertsons I've been using for my groceries. And right next to it is a Walmart. Give you a little tour of downtown Pahrump. Miley's Auto Part, where I ended up needing some power steering fluid. Very helpful. So yeah, everything. I can see why people like living here. There's a lot of freedom here in Pahrump. It's an open carry state. See a lot of people. There's shooting ranges all over the place, and it's very, very pro Second Amendment, and I like that. So if you hadn't guessed it, here we are back at Preferred RV Resort. I really like this place, so I'm coming back for 2 nights. There's a pig roast tonight, or today, so I want to participate in that. So let me park here and get rechecked in. Amy also really likes it here. She loves to go for walks. There's a lot of people that have dogs here, so lots of different smells, and she just enjoys it here, as do I. So they're super windy, so they, instead of having this pig roast inside, outside. They're gonna have it inside, and there's a band playing. It's pretty loud in there, but I'm looking forward to it. This is at the Preferred RV Park, the Welcome Back event that they're having. Pulled pork, the barbecued pork, the beef, everything was delicious. For dessert, they had pineapple upside down cake. Very good. Yeah, today there's 50 to 60 mile an hour winds here, and it's been super windy. So I'm glad I'm at the RV park instead of out in the open desert. It's a lot, I feel a lot less. Yeah, the wind is really picking up here, because like I said, today is a really great lunch over at the community center, making the best of it. We get back on the road on Monday.
Crazy as it sounds, empty choppers in the sky, empty.
Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for stopping by. Leave me a comment, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hollywood.